Hi, it's me Blinky again. Today we're gonna make mashed potatoes.
Okay, what's the ingredient?
Okay, this is milk. This is potato because we're making mashed potatoes, right? Then there's salt. Okay, so this is pepper. And I'm gonna pull it. Cut it, peel, whatever. Oh look, makes me want to eat French fries. And now I'm gonna do the second one. This is fun. Peeling. And now we're gonna wait a minute.
We'll boil it.
Yeah, we'll boil it, but first we need to cut it. Mr. Chef! Now we're ready to boil it. Okay, so we boil it for about 10 minutes right now. That's what Mama said. So, to see how, if it's ready to be mashed, we're gonna have to poke it and see if it breaks. Bam. Okay, I think it breaks. Okay, so it's ready to be mashed. Now, we've drained the water. You see? We're gonna mash it first. We're gonna mash it, and then we're gonna put the butter, the milk, the salt, and the pepper. So I'll add butter when it's still hot so it can melt. Here. Butter's in. So I'll continue mashing. Okay, so now I'm gonna put salt and pepper. So now it looks dry now, right? A bit dry. No, right? Yeah. So now I'm gonna put the milk in. Now it's getting very smooth. See? Smooth and yummy. So we're done. Our mashed potatoes today. So you can eat it with steak or maybe pork rib. Now I kind of want to eat it. You saw nothing. Anyways, bye. Thanks for watching. Whatever.